given the size of Yahoo. We are kind of our own cloud service provider. We have multiple data centers around the world that we actually deploy our own servers on. So we operate more as a private cloud, where we have a lot of infrastructure where we give to all these properties, we shuffle them around, we make sure that we have hardware ahead of time so they can go and deploy capacity when needed. And by working closely with Intel, we have a lot of sharing of the work we're doing. One is getting access to technology early and understand what's going on, but it's also the team that's really helpful and supportive about what we're doing. The other area which has been very important the last 3 to 5 years is all the work Intel's been doing around RSD, OpenStack, and actually driving this cloud space. I would say open source is very important, just not for us, but for everybody in the industry, because there's two things going on. One, you do want to be leading edge, but you want to do that when it comes to what service you provide your customers. But on the other side, you don't want to be too specialized inside what you do, because that means as you move traffic back and forth, or new customer comes in and we do M&A, it's very hard to adopt to different platforms or different ways of doing infrastructure. So you need to work together across the storage area, network area, compute area, across all different vendors, and actually do this together as a big family, so to speak. I think the future is going where the servers are getting torn apart a bit more, where we can see a future 10 years from now where my CPU, my memory, my storage, my I/O network, they're all in a blob. That means I don't have a center point of everything goes into this box and a small pipe coming out of there. I more see a future where my OS, my hardware, everything is just a big blob in data center, and I can move workload through that transparent for the end user. Within the next 3 to 5 years, we're going to see a bit more moving toward that mindset where I don't care about my services anymore. That's part of my infrastructure. Stuff like Hadoop, stuff like database servers, stuff like key value store. That's just part of what my coding. I'm not thinking about that as a component in my software stack anymore. But I think the hardware area is going to be more 5 to 7 years before we see that magical blob where nothing matters, it's all super dynamic. At the end, it's going to be the end users that will drive the market, and whoever can give the end user the easiest approach to actually give me compute, that's the one who's going to win.